name is Dani, I'm an art instructor, and you're tuned into the Able Artswork Virtual Learning channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a paper chain of hearts to use as decorations for Valentine's Day. For this activity, you'll need a strip of paper that is as tall as you want the hearts to be and as long as you want the chain to be. I'm using some leftover wrapping paper from the holidays, but you can use regular paper or construction paper. And you'll also need a pair of scissors and a pen for marking where you'll cut. So grab your materials and we can get started. So let's take our strip of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Make sure that the fold is nice and crisp by pressing it down. We're going to fold it another time, pressing along that fold. Another time. Now you can either stop here if you want the chain to have 4 hearts, or fold it one more time with me if you want it to have 6 hearts. And then we are going to unfold it with all of our crisp folds here. We are going to start on one end and fold it in, just like this for the first part. So it's almost like you're making a little triangle, you're curling this side in, folding it over, and the rest will be accordion folded. So you'll be reversing some of the folds. For the rest of the strip. And then I'll press down all of the sides here. So it'll look like this. Got that one end tucked in. Now I'm going to start on the side that has one free flap. So this is the end that is not tucked in. And since this would be the end of the heart chain, I want to make sure that the outside of the heart hits the outside of this piece here. So the center will go along the fold. So I'm going to take my pen, start towards the top part of the fold, pull the curve of the heart up and around, then go to the bottom left corner of the fold, pull the bottom of the heart up. Now you want to make sure that you don't draw your pen all the way around here. We want to maintain part of the folds in our chain because that's what's going to keep all of the hearts together. So all I did was draw one line on the bottom and draw the curved part of the heart on top. Next, we're going to cut out our shapes. So let's grab our scissors and we're going to go slowly. If we fold it a bunch of times, it could be a little hard to get through. So we're just going to go nice and easy, being careful. So that's the bottom part. Remember, we are not going to cut this section here. So we're going to skip over that part and proceed with the top curve of the heart. You can take your scissors to clean up the end a little bit. So when we are done cutting, this is what it should look like. Now let's open it up together and see what we've got. There we go. A nice little heart chain. And you can of course do this with a much longer strip of paper, so you can hang it up all along your walls. you would just follow the same technique of folding it repeatedly with that one part tucked in. I hope you enjoyed this craft activity. Check out the other videos on our channel about art, language, and music.